Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a new wholesale lip gloss. So this new wholesale lip gloss will be in an 8-ounce container. And as you can see, I sanitized my area and I put my gloves on. And then I got my clean bowl ready. This is my favorite bowl. I don't know. It's just my favorite bowl. I use it for like everything. It's awesome. There you go. There's my Versagel, by which I sell on my website. This is Versagel ME750. This is our red lip liquid that I bought from this small business named Queen Malo Essentials. This is the best red lip liquid ever. It's my favorite. This is my first time ever using it, and it's a one. I got it for like $8, I believe. But anyways, as you can see, I put a good amount in there, but later on in the video, I did put some more. But yeah, I just put a good amount, to be honest. Like, you don't have to put a whole bunch, you know. And then I started putting my grapeseed oil. This is grapeseed oil. I put half a cup of grapeseed oil, half a cup. And then I put 1/3 of castor oil. 1/3 of castor oil. Y'all know me. I love grapeseed oil and I also love castor oil. I only use castor oil in my pigmented glosses or anything that isn't clear, because castor oil can make your glosses cloudy if it's a clear gloss. So yeah, I got my perfect duo there. And then now I'm gonna start mixing. So I started mixing, and yeah, look at that color, y'all. It's like a beautiful red magenta type of color. It's very vibrant. So you gotta mix it long, okay, y'all? Like, don't mix it for like 2 seconds and call it a day. No, you have to keep on mixing it so you can get the oils distributed evenly with the Versagel until it becomes a smooth texture and not some clumps like it is right now. So yeah, and sorry for the background noises, because my birds were going crazy. Like, they were fighting each other again. Like, they fight all the time, so I apologize for the background noise. But yeah, so once again, you want to mix. As you can see, it's fast forwarding. Mix until it's smooth, because it will look clumpy and stuff, but you just have to mix again. Keep on mixing until it's a smooth substance and not all clumpy and looking weird. See, and then I added more because in person, it just looked way too light for me. So I decided to add some more, and then now, like, it's more red and it's more like out there, like, oh yeah, I am red and beautiful. So that's why I added more. And then yeah, just look at that, beautiful. And the consistency was on point. It was just the perfect consistency to me. So I really like the measurements that I used. I used 1 ounce, no, not 1 ounce. I used 1/2 cup of grapeseed oil and 1/3 cup of castor oil. Castor oil is a thicker oil, so and grapeseed oil is very thin, by which they both balance out easier. They both balance each other out. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to fill up my 8-ounce jar. I do sell this wholesale lip gloss for $24 on my website. So yeah, I'm getting ready to fill this jar up, and this process can get very messy if you do it the way that I did, by which was, pick up the big bowl full of lip gloss and then start pouring it into a small container. So yeah, it can get very messy, but overall, like, it wasn't messy, and it's like really satisfying just watching it, like, just pour into the jar. But yeah, once again, I wholesale this lip gloss. It's in an 8-ounce container. I sell it for $24 on my website, and I have a whole collection of wholesale jars, and I also pre-fill lip gloss tubes as well. I'm only doing wand tubes for right now, but I will offer pre-filled tubes and squeeze tubes. But yeah, so if you're interested in starting your own business, check out my website. The link will be in the description box and in the comment section as well. But yeah, look at that color, y'all. So pretty. This is very, very pretty. It's not pigmented on the lips. It's more so of like barely a tint, to be honest. Anyways, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to check out our description box. And stay glowing.